The LED under cabinet lighting from Topaz, a Southwire company, makes it easy to illuminate areas where high-quality task lighting is a must. 5 sizes are available, from 9 inches to 33 inches, to accommodate most cabinet lengths. The premium design, superior features, yet surprising affordability make this the ideal under-cabinet lighting solution. Here's why. Installation is simple, thanks to a large wiring compartment, a snap-in hinge door, and multiple knockouts. An optional power cord for a quick plug-in is also available. Connect up to 6 fixtures for uniform illumination with an end-to-end connector. Use the optional linking cables to create custom lengths for more flexibility when designing the space. The 5 CCT selectable switch lets you choose from a range of warm to cool color temperatures for customized lighting that fits your unique needs. The fixtures are dimmable to create the perfect ambience for your kitchen, your office, or wherever you find your workspace.